Can you buy a home with minimal savings? A lot of people assume that if they don't have a huge savings account, buying a home just isn't possible. They think, I don't have enough saved. I need way more money. I'll buy later when I'm more prepared. But the truth is, many buyers purchase homes with far less savings than people expect. My name is Bryan Marota. I'm a real estate agent here in California, and in this video I'm going to break down what minimal savings really means, when buying can make sense, and when it absolutely does not. First, what does minimal savings actually mean? Minimal savings does not mean zero money. It usually means you don't have 20% down. You don't have years of savings built up. You're worried about draining your account. The real question isn't how much money you have saved, it's how your money is structured. You don't always need a large down payment. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need a massive down payment to buy. In reality, many buyers purchase with 3% down, 3.5% down, 5% down, or even zero down with certain loan programs. Low down payment does not automatically mean bad decision. It means different strategy. Or why cash reserves matter more than a big down payment. Here's what matters more than the down payment itself: cash reserves. Sellers and lenders want to see that you can handle closing costs, cover unexpected expenses, survive without financial stress after closing. Sometimes keeping money in the bank is smarter than putting everything down up front. Closing costs. What buyers miss? Another reason buyers think they can't afford a home is confusion around closing costs. Closing costs are separate from the down payment, but that doesn't mean buyers always pay them alone. In many cases, seller credits can help, negotiation can reduce out-of-pocket costs, assistance programs may apply. Understanding this can change what affordable looks like. When buying with minimal savings can make sense, buying with limited savings can make sense if you have stable income, your monthly payment fits your budget, you still have emergency savings after closing, you plan to stay in the home for several years. This is about sustainability, not stretching yourself thin. When it does not make sense. Buying does not make sense if you'd have no emergency fund after closing. Your income is unstable. You're relying on overtime just to qualify. You're planning to move short-term. Minimal savings doesn't mean reckless buying. The biggest mistake buyers make. The biggest mistake is assuming they're not ready without ever checking. Many buyers disqualify themselves based on myths, not facts. A quick conversation with a lender or agent can clarify what's realistic and what's not. Final thought. Buying a home isn't about having a perfect financial situation. It's about understanding your options, knowing your limits, and making informed decisions. Some buyers with minimal savings are more prepared than buyers with large savings and no plan. If you're wondering whether buying with limited savings makes sense for you, I'm happy to help you run real numbers and talk through your options. You can call or text me at 562-484-8138 or message me on Instagram at Bryan_Marota. Even clarity alone can save you years of waiting.